Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Amazon gift card. So in this case, how do you actually do it? So first thing you want to do is you want to go to Amazon.com, log in into your account, and in here what we need to do next is we need to go to our accounts and list. It's typically at the top right, go ahead and hover over it, and you want to go to the Your Account section and choose Account. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to choose the appropriate options. So in this case, you have your gift cards, you also have your payments here. So in this case, you go and choose gift cards here, and it should actually show you your current gift card balance. Now in this case, go ahead and click on redeem a gift card here, and it should redirect you to the redeem gift card section, which in this case, you just need to enter your claim code. So in this case, do not include the dashes on your card, but once you've added your claim code, just click on apply to balance and you should be able to redeem it. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.